Alright guys, this is the dinner spots. Alright, the governor's in the house. ทำอะไรนะ
ท่านแกงหมูกรอบค่ะ
พริกแกง
พริกแกงใช่
พริกแกงโอเค
พี่จุ๋มขอน้ำซุป
อะไรอร่อยที่สุดนะ
แล้วแต่คนกินจะชอบกินอะไรก็ได้แต่ว่าไม่รู้
โอเค
ถ้าขายดีที่สุดก็ราดหน้า
เอา
เอาอะไรจ๊ะราดหน้าที่ใส่หมูใช่ไหม
เอาลัดหน้าหมูกรอบนะ
เอาได้ค่ะ
ใส่ไข่ได้ไหม
ได้ค่ะ
ครับ
ราดหน้าใส่สองถุง
Alright, so we've got our little plastic chairs that I love so much. They're imploring me to sit down. I did want to watch her cook the rest of the food. อันนี้มันอะไรนะ
น้ำมันหมูค่ะ
น้ำมันหมู อันนี้
กระเทียมเจียว
กระเทียมเจียว
ใช่กระเทียม
มันหมู
อันนี้มันหมู
อันนี้มันหมูโอเคRight, so now we're doing ผัดกะเพราเนาะผัดกะเพราหมูกรอบโอ้โห
พี่น้องโก้หน้าบ้านเลยค่ะอันนี้เต้าเจี้ยวค่ะ
อ๋อทันเจียวก็เท่านั้นพูดภาษาไทยนิดหน่อยนะรันเบิร์ดกี่ปีแล้วนะ
ประมาณ38-39 ปีแล้วค่ะ
39 ปีเหรอ
ใช่ค่ะ
ครับ
พอเลย
Again, sugar, a little bit of let me see. เส้นใหญ่
ก็จะได้พลังเรื่องมา
It's not a bad portion, guys. Crack the egg in. Let's see all that. An epic looking radna mugrob. So crispy pork, gravy, noodles. And this is going to be showing off, again, Songkhla's Chinese influence. So Auntie's been cooking these delicious noodles every day for the last 39 years in the same spot. This looks absolutely incredible. We've got homemade Hat Yai, homemade manmu, pork fat, lard to cook it in. And I'm telling you what, this place is absolutely packed. It's only just opened, it's like 6 o'clock. I've just got back from Hat Yai. And I'm so glad that I've come back because I'm absolutely starving. But anyway, without further ado, let's see what's cooking.
มีเลี้ยงผัดซีอิ๊ว
Oh. This is for the takeaway crew. Me beer ไหม
มีค่ะ
ไม่เหรอโอเคเอาซิง
ช้างเอาจริง
ซิงครับ
จริงค่ะ
ครับ
ะเชิญนั่งเลยเถอะ
มีน้ำแข็งไหม
มี
ครั
ค่ะ
โอเคเอาน้ำแข็งด้วยนะครับ
อย่างเลยร้านนี้
ครับ
ถึงก่อนน้ำแข็งแก้วนะคะ
Okay. Yes, we've got beer as well. We've got unbelievable looking noodles. We're going to be here a while, so I'm going to pour a drink. Anyone getting at me after my last video, that's how you pour a drink. Oh, whoa, the noodles are coming.
เอาเลยค่ะ
Khop khop. Alright, more important than the beer, guys. The noodles have come. Right, so I'm going to crack that. Oh my god. Yolk. We might have to take these. Hold on, guys. We're gonna have to take these over there. All right. Some absolute legend has just given me his chair. Okay, so now we're gonna actually be able to see what we're doing. Look at the egg yolk. Absolutely perfect. Right, perfect poached egg, and then we've got crispy, crunchy mutabak on top. We've also got some marinated sliced pork. Look at that. Thinly shredded. Usually it's in large chunks. We've got some pakana, some Chinese broccoli. Then we've got the wide rice noodles. Raad hna looks absolutely insane. I've never even contemplated it, especially with the poached egg on top. Oh. Oh. Honestly, it doesn't need a lot. Heavy on the Hat Yai, the yellow bean paste. It's a little bit sweet. But a savoury note from the bean paste. The rich, gooey egg yolk. And that crispy pork is an absolute revelation. I could eat it like that, but I'm not going to. Let's start adding. All right, let's get pimping, guys. Pick one. Just a bit, not too much. And it is very rich, very salty. I'm gonna put a little bit of vinegar just to cut it. You've got that oozy yolk's just gone all the way through. Let's try and get a bit of everything. Try and get a bit of that crispy pork. Try and get a bit of the stewed pork, and let's go. That's how you do a raad hna. Now we've got spicy, salty, sour, sweet. A char off the noodles. Oh, do you know what? It's all about the egg yolk. It's all about the egg yolk and the crispy pork. Look how rich that is. All right, next up we've got the Hat Yai Mueang. So yellow noodles. So yellow, like how you get like in Phuket you might get a pad mee Hokkien. Same style, guys. So egg noodles, southern Chinese style. Oh, look at that. Look at the egg. So the eggs, it looks like a fried egg. Well, she has actually smashed it up, but it does look like a fried egg. Usually it's all scrambled through. That just shows you how hot the wok is. You've got charred bits all over this. Let's try. I should have got this with crispy pork as well. That's better than the raad hna. I'm biased because I love Chinese yellow noodles. Like pad mee Hokkien is like my favourite dish in Phuket. Again, you got a little bit of sweetness from the light soy sauce. She has added a little bit of sugar, which I could do without. Not unpleasant, just a touch sweet. So I'm actually gonna put on a little bit of this is for the pad kapao, but I'm gonna put a bit of pik nam pao on. I'm gonna put a bit of chili vinegar on, and I'm gonna put a little bit of pik bon. This is unbelievable, guys. The pork. That's criminal. I'll tell you what, I don't care what anyone says in the comments, the pik nam pla, proper. This is incredible. The amount of smoke she's got on these. This for me is what street food is all about in Thailand. One person cooking the same dish day in, day out for 39 years until they are an absolute expert. But guys, I'm gonna finish up my drink, finish up my noodles, have an early night. It's about 6:30, but I've had a long day. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave you now. I'm going to see you again in the morning as we make our way to Hat Yai. But don't go anywhere because we've got one more special breakfast treat.